Hey there, so 7's my lucky number. Let's see if we could get this video done in less than 7 minutes for you guys. What I'm going to do is show you how you can shrink the size of your video files without losing significant quality. In most cases, it's almost indetectable, the difference between your original video and what it looks like after using Handbrake. Handbrake is a free program and it can be a little bit confusing to figure out how to use, but that's what this video is going to sort out for you. If that sounds good to you, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you're excited to see how to use this. And if you know anyone else who would also like to see this video, please don't forget to share it with them. And if you want to see more videos on tools that'll help you run your business with greater ease, save time, and that kind of thing, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on this screen. And in case you're new here, I'm Avery Breyer. I'm an author and freelance writer, and I also have a niche site I run and other little things I dabble in. And I've been earning a living online for a few years now, so I have used many tools over the years, and this channel is just to show you what's working for me in the hopes that it'll help you the way it's helped me. So here's Handbrake. You're going to go to handbrake.fr. So once you get on that site, you just hit the download button and then you're going to install it the same way you would install any other app on your Mac. Now, I already have it on my computer, so I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward to what it's like after you have installed it. So you're going to find it in your applications folder, double click it, and then it's going to open up a window for you to select the file that you want to shrink. Okay, so once you have navigated to the video that you want to shrink the size of, you select it and hit open. Okay, so then now you've got it loaded on your screen here, so you're going to go ahead and make sure the format is MP4. I mean, they also offer this MKV file. I've never used that. I always use MP4. This I do not change. I leave it as is. In dimensions, this is what I want, the 1920 by 1080. So I've got that okay. And then under video, H264 is the setting I'm going to have there. And I'll just show you what the other settings look like, just so you know. I don't mess around with any of that. And then all you have to do is select a name for your file. So I just changed the name slightly. So this is correct. I like this location. And then hit start and it'll go to work for you. So you'll see the progress bar at the bottom. It'll tell you where you're at. This can sometimes take a little while. Like this video here is 22 minutes long. So I'm expecting this to take a few minutes. So it's 7:50 p.m. right now. I'm going to pause the recording and let Handbrake do its thing. And then I'm going to come back and we'll find out how long it took. And I will do a comparison for you so you can see the difference in quality pre and post Handbrake. And here's another example I'm going to show you just so you can get more of an idea of what Handbrake does. So my first video on this channel was a review of Social Bee, and it was quite lengthy. The original pre-Handbrake MP4 that came out of Camtasia, that's what I used to record, was 601 megabytes, and after Handbrake it was 135. So I'm going to show you what those two videos look like now so you can just see the difference for yourself. Okay, so here is the final one. This is post Handbrake. You can see it on my screen here. Then here is the pre-Handbrake one. And you can see there's not a heck of a lot of difference. Like even if we look at this text here, I'll just stick them one on top of the other. Like even if we look at this text here, if I stick them one on top of the other, I mean, to my eye, that doesn't look any difference, to be perfectly honest. So again, this is the original on top, and underneath that is the one after Handbrake. And here you can see again, just even this is smaller font, so it's maybe a better thing to see for comparison. Pre-Handbrake, this is what the little fonts up here looked like in the video, and the version after Handbrake looked like this. Now maybe you're wondering, well, is one of them going to be a little laggy or whatever? And I'll show you that right now. Hey everybody, it's Avery Breyer here. I'm popping on today to do a review of Social Bee. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how to... Hey everybody, it's Avery Breyer here. I'm popping on today to do a review of Social Bee. The reason you know how to see your posts, how to edit them, how to add them, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do. So as you just saw in those examples, there's not a heck of a lot of difference, if any, between the two. I certainly can't tell enough of a difference to feel like there's any loss of quality there at all. I showed you some at the very beginning where it was a very still screen with not a lot of text, and then I skipped ahead to a further point of the video where there was a little bit of smaller text and that kind of thing, so you could get an idea of what both kinds of screen captures look like. So now my video that I've been running through Handbrake that I started at 7:50 p.m. is now done, and I'm going to jump ahead to that and show you how much that file shrunk. All right, so it's now 8:19 p.m. and I just got the nifty little notification from Handbrake telling me that the video is shrunk. So I'm all done. Let me show you exactly what the difference is between the original and this one. So then you can just click the show button and it will show you where on your system the video will be found. And as you can see, I've got my original video was 358 megabytes and the shrunken one is 105 megabytes. And now what I've noticed is the larger the video file, the more shrinkage you get when you run it through Handbrake. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out, and if you know anybody else that would also be helped by this video, please be sure to share it with them. Last but not least, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you get notified of future videos that come out. And all links that you need for anything talked about in any of my videos is always in the video description, so make sure you check that out after you stop watching. Bye for now.